Replenishing the country's hay stocks has been a challenge this year, as Machinery Pete shows us getting the right tools for the job is going to cost you.
Hottest sector in the used market right now? Well, of course, the used tractor market's been on fire, no doubt about that. But after that, I'd probably say good condition used hay equipment. Now, just recently here, I've seen a couple of really nice round balers ring the bell at auction. October 28th, on an auction in Chase City, Virginia by my friends at Jason Acock Auctioneering, this New Holland Roll Belt 450 with 955 bales through it, so for $37,400. Now, Jason actually sent me video of it. You can watch that sell on our Machinery Pete YouTube channel. But $37,400 record price there. It clipped a record that had just been set a month before, September 26th, on a consignment auction in Leola, Pennsylvania, where this New Holland Roll Belt 450 went for $36,000. Now, that same day the record was being set on the New Holland 450 in Virginia, I was in Kentucky, Winchester, Kentucky, filming a farm auction by Taylor Auction Company, where this very nice John Deere 569 round baler, 2,450 bales through it, sold for $38,625. And that's the 7th highest auction price the past 5 years on a 569. Now, 5 days after that, November 2nd, the great team at the Steffes Group had an online farm auction in Russo, North Dakota, and they sold a pair of 21 model John Deere 560M round balers, and they went for $55,500 and $55,000, two highest auction prices ever on 560Ms. And oh yeah, let's not forget the small square balers. Back to that sale in Kentucky I filmed October 28th, this John Deere 348, a one-owner baler with only 300 bales through it, amazing. So for $30,680, all-time record high auction price on a Deere 348. And that broke a record of $26,000, which had just been set April 1st in Kingdom City, Missouri.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineryPete.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineryPete.com.